Can you really make $3,000 with AI dropshipping in just 7 days? I am putting it to the test. I am a businessman, but for 1 week, AI makes every business decision. My budget is only $250, and I have to show you every step. First, I used the dummy scroll method on social media to identify winning products. I fed that data into ChatGPT, and it chose the pet niche. Next, I used an AI website builder to create my Shopify store. I kept it simple and focused on a clean, professional look. To keep things automated, I installed a fulfillment app. This sends orders directly to customers without me lifting a finger. Then, I used AutoDS to find trending pet products. I imported items like a dog paw cleaner and used AI to rewrite the titles and descriptions so they actually sound professional. I secured a .store domain for credibility and used an AI image generator to create a custom logo. I ordered samples to ensure quality. The interactive toys felt a bit cheap, but the dog paw cleaner was fantastic. It became my hero product. For ads, I did not have time for organic growth, so I turned to paid meta ads. I used an AI video generator to create user-generated content-style ads with digital avatars. It is a massive time saver and lets you test different hooks without paying expensive creators. After 7 days, the results were in. The dog collar flopped, but we sold 17 dog paw cleaners and a pet broom. Total revenue hit $402. After accounting for costs and ad spend, I made a net profit of $81.56. I failed the $1,000 goal, but this experiment proves you can launch an automated store with AI in just 1 week. If you need a reliable connection for your apps and store management, I highly recommend using NordVPN for smooth operation. You can find the installation link in the description and the pinned comment below. Since I missed the target, I am giving away $1,000 to viewers. Leave a comment telling me what store you would build. I will pick 3 winners. Thanks for watching Tech Vibes. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. What niche would you choose for your first store?